Hey everyone, it's Tiffany Riley, and welcome back to Tiff's 31 Days of Samhain. Today is day 2, which is, you guessed it, I'm going to be doing Miss Tiffany Valentine, or the Bride of Chucky. So yeah, let's get started. So first off, I'm going to be taking the Illuminating Primer from Rare Beauty. I apologize, I had something in my mouth. And we're going to be taking just one pump of that and put it all over our face. This might be a little bit easier than when I did Chucky. Next, we're going to be applying foundation. This is the Weightless Liquid Primer in the shade 150C. This is from Rare Beauty. And we are going to be using the dot method because less is more. So for this, we're going to be taking our foundation brush. Now I don't have any primer at the moment, so I'm gonna be using my foundation again for the eyeshadow. Just a little bit, you don't need too much for the eyeshadow to grip on. Just do it very, very lightly. Now we're going to be taking the Love Never Dies palette from The Nightmare Before Christmas. I bought this at Hot Topic, by the way. And we are going to be taking a crease brush. Now we're going to be doing like a gothic-y look. We're going to be doing the doll version, actually. So for this look, it's going to be very, very gothic-y, but with a little bit of my own twist to it. So I'm going to be the first color I'm going to be taking is the shade Scream Queen. And I'm going to be applying this on my crease. Next, we're going to be taking an eyeshadow brush, and And we're going to be taking Love You to Death. And we're going to be placing that on the lid. We will actually take care of the harsh lines in a sec, so don't worry if there are any harsh lines. Black is a very intense color, so we're going to be taking the crease brush again, and we're just going to lighten, kind of soften the edges of the black. And blend it in with that dark brown. Now, of course, she doesn't wear any eyeliner, but this is, I guess, my own little twist to it, just to make the eyes pop. We're going to be taking the Rare Beauty Perfect Strokes Matte Liquid Eyeliner, just to make it more. Actually, I don't think we are, honestly. Yeah, no, we're not. Never mind. We're not going to do that. So, she does have a bit of color to her cheeks, kind of like this plum color. So we're going to be taking the Melting Blush by Rare Beauty, and this is in the shade Nearly Berry. Should have had all this done already. We're going to be taking a brush and just kind of blend that into the apples of our cheeks, just like so. Now for the lips, we're going to be taking the matte lip cream from Rare Beauty. This is in the shade Ascend. And place that. Now she does have a bit of a darker color than this. But this is all I have at the moment. Now, of course, we can't forget her beauty marks, so we're going to be taking, I guess we can use this after all. We're going to be taking the Rare Beauty Perfect Strokes Matte Liquid Liner, and we are just going to do a little dot. Just right there, just a small dot. Doesn't have to be big. And then we are going to be setting it with a setting spray. This is the Always an Optimist 4-in-1 primer setting mist from Rare Beauty. And now I will show you guys the outfit. So this is the outfit, and now you probably recognize this outfit from last year when I did this tutorial. Well, you can see I've gained a little bit of weight since then, so yeah, hey, I'm actually more happier now since I've gained weight since last year, and I'm actually more happier with myself and in my skin and everything like that. So haters gonna hate, you know, body shamers gonna body shame. I feel good. Now all of this is from Spirit Halloween, the wig, the dress, the jacket, and of course the necklace as well. All of this is from Spirit Halloween. I have kept this entire outfit for about a year. The only thing that's changed is my weight, and I am happy with being chubby. I'm happy with being fat and everything, because fat means health. So yeah, this is the same outfit from last year. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and I'm hoping you guys, even though it's only day 2 of Samhain, or the 31 days of Samhain, I hope you guys are enjoying the video so far. I have much more planned in store for you guys and everything like that. So yeah, if you guys want me to do any tutorials and everything like that, or if you guys want me to do anything else for Samhain, then just leave it in the comments below. And I will try to do it as best as I can, and try and keeping up with the 31 days and actually posting every day for the 31 days of Samhain for once, because I didn't do that last year. Also, if you want to see this look from last year, it'll be in the description below. So yeah, hope you guys are having an amazing day and night wherever you are in the world, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye bye.